Now it's time to make the corners. And this is just a simple boxed corner, which I do by opening up the sides and bringing the bottom seam and the side seam to meet. Now you'll notice I didn't press my bottom seam. That's because it's very hard to press it. You can't really get in there with the iron because of the shape of the bag. So I kind of try to press that one later when I can. So I'm just folding the sides and bringing the bottom and side seams to meet and pressing them open and flat. So we get a shape sort of like this. And now I'm just going to sew along this edge. Again, with the same seam allowance I've been using, which is 1/2 inch. This, I really want to make sure I backstitch at the beginning and end of this seam because this is an important seam that's really going to hold a lot of weight. All right, that's one corner. And now I'll just do the other one. I love these box corners because they're so easy to do. So again, I'm just going to separate the layers of fabric and fold it, bringing the side and bottom seams together. And I always just really do take a second there to check and make sure that those two seams are really aligned with each other, because that's something that you're going to see on the exterior of the bag. And you want to make sure that those seams meet up in a perfect line because it just looks nice. So there I am, I'm ready to go. And you could put a couple of pins in here if you wanted to. I don't usually find that it's necessary because there's already these seams that are constructed so you don't get a lot of shifting. But if this is a new technique for you and you're not totally comfortable with it yet, definitely take the time to add some pins. So I'm just gonna missed my back stitch there, so I'm just going to go back and reinforce that because I really want to make sure my corners are going to be nice and strong.